Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 12th question in exercise 4.4. If A is the given matrix, find A into adjoint of A without calculating adjoint of A. So there is a basic property that A into adjoint of A is going to be equal to determinant of A into I. In this case, it's a 3 cross 3 matrix, so I3. So all I need to do is find out what is the value of this particular matrix and I will be able to calculate it. So what is a determinant of A is going to be determinant of 3, 1, 2, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 1, 2, 1. Now let's evaluate. So this is 3 into minus 3, minus of minus 2 is plus 2, minus 1 into 2 minus of minus 1 is plus 1, then plus 2 into 4 minus of minus 3 is plus 3. So this is going to be 3 into minus 1 into 3 plus 2 into 7. So minus 3 plus 14, which is equal to 8. This means A into adjoint of A. So this is what we wanted. A into adjoint of A matrix is going to be 8I3, which is nothing but 800080008. So now this can't be written in determinant, so I'm going to write this in the metric style. So it is matrix of 800080008. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 13th question in this exercise. See you on the next video. Bye.